So here's a Revair. I did a quick little unboxing and I did a video where I tried it out. Ignore my ends. They're crunchy as no business. I need to get a trim. I just got a trim yesterday. That video was taken 2 weeks ago. I've been using this so far for about 2 more times. So far I liked it. I used it on mini braids. I'll show you how those look. I will give you an end all be all of how I feel like it's gonna benefit me and so far, and how I rate it from 0 to 10, and quick little unboxing, quick little try, and my thoughts. The packaging was cute. I wish they would have had a box within a box. They shipped it just like that. And I was like, okay. It comes with these wig caps. They're not wig caps. I think they're just like protectors to like keep it from scratching or something. This is the nozzle. I guess this is where the air comes in. This is where the hose. And I'm one of those people, I don't read instructions. I just wing it. This is the machine itself. It's the size of a little purse, medium, small purse. Honestly, it's a little, some people are like, oh, it's too big and this and this. I'm like, I could find a place to put this stuff there somewhere. This is the machine. I guess this is where you put the little hole, the hose at. Handle. I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna leave it while I still mess with it. This is the on and off. It has a little screen. Oh wait, is this a filter? I think it's a filter. Oh. I got a plus and a minus sign. I guess that's maybe temperature, time, or we'll figure that out when we get across that bridge. But yeah, let's put it together. Kind of can figure it out with the little electric little connector things that are kind of see it with it. So it's kind of simple. Hey, if I could do it, anyone could do it. Figure this out. So I gotta slide it in. Wait, did I do the filter? Okay. I guess make sure this little switch is on one of the sides. See that? Make sure it connects properly. There we go. I think that's it. Wait, oh, wait. So you could kind of get the, my mic on this camera is pretty good, so you're gonna get the full kind of. Was a cool shot. 2 is for a lot of suction, 1 is for suction. The levels of suction are based off of this. You go up or down. I think it goes to 7 or 8. Turn it on. See, it's very simple and like basic and stuff. I don't know what this is for. Is this? Look at that. Wait, is it? Am I right? I think I'm right. Do I put it like this? Aww, I think this is right. I could be dead wrong though. I'm going to take this off. I have like 4 or 5 dookie braids. I'm gonna wash my hair, come back. I'm gonna part this half because I'm not just gonna That's ludicrous. But I'm not gonna part this half. I'm gonna leave it alone because I want to take one of them pictures, aesthetically pleasing pictures where it's like half shrunken and then half short. So, God, this video is ghetto as hell. My most ghetto videos do the best. So this is me with freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna fluff it out. You see all that shrinkage, baby. A little bit towel dried, but not too much. So you're gonna see me with it sectioned in half and then also sectioned off. So I'm going to use the 10-in-1 leave-in. It's also a heat protectant, and then I'm gonna finish off with the Olaplex bonding oil. So from my first mistakes, you'll see is me putting it in for like 10-15 seconds and then trying to see some amazing results. No, about 90 to 60 seconds, depending on your texture, your density, I guess. Works, whatever works for you. But combing out a little bit because I saw it wasn't working. But this time I got the hang of it, and voila. A nice, not too harsh, but not too light kind of blow dry. Kind of the results I wanted. Not too straight, but not too, like it didn't do nothing. So these are my final thoughts with the Revair. I've been using it, I think it's been 2 more times I use it. I give it an 8 out of 10. I feel like it's something that makes it a little more easier. I don't like the thought of blow dryer. Some people are like, oh, but you can use a blow dryer at the same amount of time, but you're still combing and like there's some sort of tension. You're detangling and then re-detangling while you're blow drying versus detangling at one time and then just use the Revair and then that's it. Also, it's like I could leave it in twists. I could leave it in little braids. I had many braids. I washed them and then I used the Revair and that's it. Show you a clip of how it looks. One side is stretched out, you can tell, and one side is the wet, non-dry side. Good. I got the warranty, so 2 years. But if it don't conk out within 2 years, I think it'll last me a while. This is something I'll just always use because I'm lazy and I'm lazy. But I feel like it's a go-to. There's nothing really bad to say about it. I did do layaway. I'm not dropping $400 or whatever, how much I spent. I could, but I don't want to. It's a mind thing. It's like, yeah, I'm eventually give that amount up, but no. And plus a little bit of interest, which would be like $10. You're getting $40 a month from me. With that and me going to now, also, the person who does my hair does Afterpay. So now I can do that and I'm gonna keep up with my appointments and I'm gonna keep up with my trends. And then this, boom, 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 by the summertime, baby. And I'm already working on my summer body now. I got my protein shakes coming in the mail right now from Target. Baby. Whoo, you're not gonna be ready for me next year. Crazy. I'm excited and I love it so far. I used it a few times. It's 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I could bump it down to 20. And that's based off of like, know how to use it. And then I feel like I'm not a person who cares about volume so much. I mean definition. But I want it to dry at a certain pace, so I'm not going to section too big. But honestly, you need like this amount sectioned off. And if your hair is long enough, baby, your hair's going to dry. And people worry about the scalp. The scalp gets dry because it's sucking air in, but it's warm. So it's going to warm you. It's going to dry your scalp. I feel like I remember someone said the 90-second rule. Just spend like 90 seconds, 60 seconds on that section and then pull it apart. Stop just 10 seconds and then, oh, it's still wet. That's what I was doing. That also makes up time too. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and come again, subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. But yeah,